Do you ever feel confused or overwhelmed when you look at the number of options for milk in the grocery store? There's organic, there's grass-fed, there's all natural. So many labels on these milks. But how do you know which one to buy? I was recently interviewed by Real Simple talking about whether you should buy 2% or whole milk. If you want to know the answer, click the link. I think we all want to choose the milk that's best for us and healthiest for our lifestyle. What's interesting is I did a survey of both ag and non-ag people, and everyone marked taste and nutrition as the top 2 reasons why they choose their milk. But I know there's other factors as well. Animal welfare, environmental issues, for example. There are a lot of different options out there, and you have to make sure you're choosing the best one for you. Also, labels can be deceiving. Just because something is labeled with one brand doesn't mean it's different than something that's labeled with a different brand. That was Altadena milk, but here we have 7-Eleven milk, and it has the same plant code on it, so we know it comes from the same place. And many of those will even come from the same place as higher end stores, like Sprouts or Whole Foods. Very often, the person raising the cows is not the person bottling the milk. The milk is combined at the plant and then redistributed. Do you know where your milk comes from? Drop a note in the comments, and I'm happy to answer any questions you have.